students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today for class 9 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 71 on transformations. Let us start with the first question. If alpha plus beta plus gamma is 2 theta, conditional identity. Here also we have conditional transformation. Cos theta plus cos theta minus alpha plus cos theta minus beta plus cos theta minus gamma is equal to. What is the value for that? Let us try to solve it. Cos theta plus cos theta minus alpha plus cos theta minus beta plus cos theta minus gamma. Let us take it into two different groups. Let us apply cos C plus cos D in different for both the different groups. Cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2. C plus D, that is 2 theta minus alpha by 2 into cos C minus D. Theta minus theta cancels and it is simply alpha by 2. Okay, plus similarly here also 2 cos C plus D by 2. C plus D means 2 theta minus beta minus gamma by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Theta minus beta minus theta plus gamma. So it is simply cos beta minus gamma by 2. That is otherwise 2 cos 2 theta minus alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2 plus 2 cos. What is 2 theta minus beta minus gamma? We are given that alpha plus beta plus gamma is 2 theta. So 2 theta minus beta minus gamma becomes alpha for us. So it is simply 2 cos alpha by 2 into cos beta minus gamma by 2. Now here this is the common term in both these two terms. So we have 2 cos alpha by 2 common. Then we are left with cos 2 theta minus alpha by 2. Okay, or else 2 theta minus, let us convert to the next step, cos of beta minus gamma by 2. So that is 2 cos alpha by 2. Here 2 theta minus alpha by 2 we can write as beta plus gamma by 2. While 2 theta can be written as alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha cancels. So it is beta plus gamma by 2. So we have cos beta plus gamma by 2 plus cos beta minus gamma by 2. So that is cos C plus cos D. 2 cos beta plus gamma plus beta minus gamma by 2 into 2. 5 into cos C minus D. So beta plus gamma minus beta plus gamma by 2 into 2. That is what we can write here. So that is our equal to 2 2s are 4. This is 4 cos alpha by 2. Here gamma cancels. 2 beta by 2 into 2. So that is beta by 2. So it is cos beta by 2 into here also beta cancels. It is nothing but cos gamma by 2. So what is the resultant answer now? 4 cos alpha by 2, cos beta by 2, cos gamma by 2. If you look at the options, in the second option we have 4 cos alpha by 2, cos beta by 2, cos gamma by 2. That is the right answer for us. Okay, let us see the next question. If cos x plus cos y plus cos alpha is 0, sin x plus sin y plus sin alpha 0, then what is the value of cot of x plus y by 2? If you look at this, cos x plus cos y we can write as minus cos alpha. Right? Let us apply cos c plus cos d form. What do you have now? 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. That is minus cos alpha. Let us consider it as condition number 1. Let us take the next one. Sin x plus sin y, that is of course equal to minus sin alpha. If you apply sin c plus sin d, that is 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. That is minus sin alpha. Let us consider it as second equation. Now what do you need now? Cot of x plus y by 2 means let us divide second condition 1 upon 2. Let us try to do. That implies, okay, 2 cancels and we have cot of x plus y by 2. Here also cos x minus y cancels and minus of minus. So both minus will cancel and it is simply cot alpha. Okay, so cot of x plus y by 2 is cot alpha for us. That is nothing but fourth option. That is the right answer. Let us see the next question. If alpha beta b says that alpha minus beta lies between pi and 3 pi, 180 and 540. Sin alpha plus sin beta is minus 21 upon 65 and cos alpha plus cos beta is minus 27 upon 65, then the value of cos of alpha minus beta by 2. Anyway, this result we will see in the end. Okay, to decide the sign of cos of alpha minus by 2, whether it is a plus or minus, we decide. Anyway, if alpha minus beta lies between pi and 3 pi, alpha minus beta by 2, if you look at that, pi by 2 less than, alpha minus beta by 2 is less than 3 pi by 2. Means alpha minus beta by 2 lies in second to third. Their cos is negative. So whatever resultant answer we get, that result we have to take as minus for cos of alpha minus beta by 2. That is the confirmation. At the end anyway we will see that. Now first let us take sin alpha plus sin beta, that is equal to minus 21 by 65. Okay. Similarly cos alpha plus cos beta, that is minus 27 by 65. What to do now? Both the sides you square them. Even here both the sides you square them. These two conditions you add up. Okay. This is, suppose this is condition 1. This is condition 2. What to do now? 1 square plus 2 square we have to do. If you do 1 square plus 2 square, we are going to have it as sin square alpha plus sin square beta. Here cos square alpha plus cos square beta. If you add up, you will get 2 plus 2 times of sin alpha sin beta. Here cos alpha cos beta, that is nothing but cos of alpha minus beta. That is going to be minus 21, that is 441 by 65 square. What is the square of 65? 65 times of 65. 5 5 is 25, 30, 30, 60, 62, 6 6 that is 4225. 4225 plus 27 square by 65, that is 729 by, that is 4225. So here we have, so if you take 2 common here, this value becomes 1 plus, see, 1 plus cos of, or else simply you can write 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. It is simply 2 cos square of alpha minus beta by 2. You can write directly. Because 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. Using that, that is equal to, add up these two, 9 plus 1 10, 3 plus 4 7, 4 plus 7 11, 1170 by 4225. 4225. Now you want cos. Finally you want cos of that. So you want, so 4 you set to the other side. So this is cos alpha minus beta by 2 is nothing but under root of 1170 by 4 into 65 into 65. Let us write it. Okay. So 65 into 65, if you take, any cancellation possible? 65 and 1170. 65 ones are 65. So here it is 2, and it is how many times? 5 times. 520. 8 times. 8 5 are 40. 8 6 are 48 plus 50. That is 18. So it is simply under root of 18 by 4 into 65 is possible for this. Okay. So 2 ones are, 2 2s are, and 2 9s are. So that is simply 3 by under root of 130. Modulus of roots. Mod of. Because we are removing root there. Mod of 3 by root 130 is the answer for that. But you know that for alpha minus beta by 2 lying between pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, cos is negative. So the resultant answer we have to give as minus 3 by root 130. Minus 3 by root 130 is nothing but first option for us. That is the right answer. Okay. Now let us see the next question. Sin A plus sin B is equal to, so what is given for us? Sin A plus sin B, that is equal to root 3 times of cos B minus cos A. Then what is the value of sin 3A plus sin 3B? Let us try to solve it in this way. We can say sin A plus root 3 cos A, that is equal to root 3 cos B minus sin B. Let us try to write in this way. Both the sides divide with 2. So we have 1 by 2 sin A plus root 3 by 2 cos A, that is equal to root 3 by 2 cos B minus 1 by 2 sin B. So that is otherwise. So sin A, this is cos 60, cos pi by 3 plus sin pi by 3 cos A, that is equal to sin pi by 3 cos B minus cos pi by 3 sin b, because cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2, sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. So it is nothing but sin of a plus pi by 2. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b is sin of a plus b. That is equal to, here also you can say sin of pi by 3 minus b. Both the sides you can do that. So we have a plus pi by 3 is equal to pi by 3 minus b. One of the possibilities, pi by 3 cancels, and we have a as minus b. If a is minus b, sin 3a plus sin 3b is nothing but sin 3a minus sin 3a. That is otherwise 0 for us. So the result for this question is 0. So that is first option. That is the right answer. Okay. So that is the end of this assignment. Thank you. Have a great day.